Welcome back, everyone. In this demo, we're diving deep into Temporal.io software, a platform that claims to let you write code as if failures simply don't exist. We're going to put that bold promise to the test. So what is Temporal? At its heart, Temporal is a durable execution platform. It's designed for developers building complex, long-running applications, things like order processing systems, AI training pipelines, or financial transaction ledgers. A process crashes, a network call times out, or a server goes down, your workflow can automatically recover and pick up right where it left off, without you writing complex reconciliation logic or state management code. The Essentials plan begins at $100 per month, targeting basic workflows with included platform features like SLA guarantees and support with a one-business-day response. Temporal Cloud offers a tiered pricing structure starting with a free tier that includes $1,000 in credits. The business plan starts at $50 per month for scaling teams, offering higher resource limits, included SAML SSO, and faster 2-business-hour support. The enterprise plan is designed for mission-critical use with custom pricing, offering the highest support. Goodbye, folks.